Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check your OS and available disk space because installation will fail on unsupported systems. Once done, pick a plan that matches how many people and devices need Office: personal for one user, family for up to 6, or one-time Office home and student. Make sure your Microsoft account is ready and signed in. If you don't have one, create it now. Finally, have your payment method available so you can complete the purchase without interruptions. After purchase, sign into your Microsoft account and open Services and Subscriptions to find your Office product. Click Install Office to get the installer. When the setup file downloads, run it and follow the on-screen prompts. Pick Default or Custom Install if you need only Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Grant administrative permissions when requested so files and registry entries can be updated. Once installation runs, watch progress. Make sure to close other Office apps to avoid conflicts. Open Word or another Office app and sign in with the same Microsoft account used to buy Office. This activates your license automatically. Once activated, go to Account Settings and run updates through Microsoft Update to ensure security and newest features. If something goes wrong, try signing out and back in. Run the Office repair tool from Programs and Features or Settings, or use the Activation Troubleshooter. These steps resolve most activation and installation issues without reinstalling. Make sure your internet connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.